So basically in this video I'm going to be looking at the best generated videos with Google VEO free so far. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, start looking quite good. The reflection, the car, you know,
Target is resting in the sun.
looks like from Hollywood movie.
Understood. Going dark.
The face is already changed, but it's okay. If you're not paying attention, it's like not visible. I mean, I like that they added the background music, you know, to add some mood for the whole thing and combine it together into some, like, you know, meaningful scenario. Okay, entering expensive villa. Well, that was weird because, you know, we had light everywhere and he's entering and it's dark. Kinda weird. Okay, probably he's searching for someone to kill, I believe. The house is empty.
I thought it would have happened years ago.
So finally he found him.
Guess you can't run from your demons forever. I knew your father.
You know, some tension created.
He was a good man. We did a lot of business together. I don't have a father.
That doesn't look realistic, or does it? I don't know. I mean, the flow in this moment feels a little bit off, but I mean, for what it is, it's like really good. So he killed the guy in the room and he started to clean kitchen. I guess that's what you do. And it's still a lot of blood, but you know, we need to clean the table because it's so dirty. You know, after all of this food.
Hello?
Oh no.
Who are you?
Who are you? Don't kill her.
Are you?
Oh no! did he like put the trash out of the house, or what it is about? It doesn't look like big enough for the body, but for the trash itself, yeah, it's definitely good. Oh my god. It looks also weird. Like, why is he in this city? So the movie is called Cleaner, so I don't know, he's supposed to clean the people or like tables and you know, and throw up the trash out of the house. So maybe it's, you know, combined meaning of this movie. But yeah, like overall the aesthetics looks good, but a lot of inconsistency. But you know, if you would tell me like 3 months ago that we're gonna be able to generate this level of quality for the movie, I would be like really shocked. So, you know, maybe as a preview, it could be used as quite a good tool. But you know, it also gives a lot of people possibility to create those type of short stories, which is kind of cool. So if you enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.